This is a training session by Solar King Industries Limited. You can see panels on the roof. We decided to use the car roof for the purpose of experiment to show that it's possible to generate electricity here even with limited resources. So we decided to put this on top of our workshop roof, the mobile workshop. You can see the mobile workshop there. Now we run a cable from the two solar panels. Each of these panels is 170 watts each, 170 watts, and we connected them in series. You can see the way they are connected in series. Connection in series means positive to negative. See, positive from one panel to the negative of the other panel, and then the remaining positive and the negative terminals, we have to tap them here. You can see our cable moving down to where the inverter is. Now take a look at this. Now you can see the position of the inverter. The inverter is a 1.5 kVA, and we have two batteries here, 220 AH batteries, weight cell. Now going close by, you can see now this one is the charge controller. From the screen of the charge controller, you can see it's reading 24.5 volts, showing us the battery voltage. Now if you look at the arrow from the panel, you see showing that something is happening at the panel side. The solar panel is actually charging despite the cloudy weather. Now the battery is a 1.5 kVA, like I said, and it's already on. If you look at the front, the spring showing that it's working. Now you can see the kind of training that goes on at Solar King Industries Limited. Now from the output of the inverter, we can see somebody already using some power generated, using it to do some business, like charging of laptop and charging of phones. Alright, so this is a fantastic experiment, and this is what a lot of people are enjoying already. So you too can have a solar system in your house. My name is Justice, AKK Elect.